I'm Strawberry.
And I'm Banana.
Together,
We're a smoothie.
Hey kids, ukuleles aren't just for creepy Hawaiians and other creepy gangly tall people anymore.
If an elephant tries to steal your memory and your common element, I'm a child bride, make a history from a woman that you try to hide. There's no turning back, it's insistent she comes to you with a blind attack. It's no common law, that you come together pointing out the fatal flaws. Then it's a hollow head to crack, and it's a face you won't get back. Whoa. When you can't recall, exposing undertones for meaning when you try to stall. Watch what heaven sent, picking quarters off the sidewalk when you should repent. It's a lover's fate, picking heartache time and bedroom crime you can't escape. It's unfairly worn, picture perfect package that you know is fairly torn. It is a hollow head to crack, and it's a face you won't get back. So who's gonna scream it out and choose who you can't let out, and measure the kind regards if she has a reckless heart? If she has a reckless heart, if she has a reckless heart, whoa. So who's gonna scream it out? Choose who you can't let out, and measure the kind regard if she has a reckless heart. If she has a reckless heart. Tries to steal your memory and your common element. It's your foolish pride that you try to hide. Make a history from a woman that you keep inside.
Stay smooth.
Holy shit.